How to make money online reading books. Sexy, earn $100 per book review. Consider reading a book and being paid $100 to review it. There are companies that would pay you to analyze books, and the greatest thing is that you can select which books to write. Today, I will present to you some places where you can get paid to review books. Do not forget the third web page on our list, as you will be paid $5 per chapter you review even if your review is turned down, and these websites will pay you so much per book you review than the other sites, so watch the video until the end to earn the highest amount, and you will not need any skills for all these sites. Since these sites will provide you with the books, all you have to do is read them and offer your opinion on them, and you may earn anywhere from $40 to $100 for every book you review. Okay, so the first site on our list is kirkusreviews.com. This is an excellent platform for earning money by reading books and submitting reviews. You must have looked at the Kirkus reviews on numerous books available on Amazon Kindle. You understand that Kirkus is a very respected and prominent website for its excellent reviews. This is a fully fabricated website. They have not disclosed the money per book review on their homepage. However, to my knowledge, you can get paid between about $40 and $90 per comment piece on the site, and the good news is that if you hover your pointer over book reviews, you will find that you can choose the books according to your preference. There are diverse kinds of books available, such as fiction, thrillers, suspense, mystery, detective, romance, history, non-fiction, and many others, and you can choose the books from the View All options. For comparison purposes, if you select business, Kirkus will show all the books available in the marketing genre that you can learn and review to make money. You can also funnel the search by subgenre and ratings, and if you hover your mouse over the magazine, you will see that they have their Kirkus Reviews magazine as well, and if your reviews get featured in this journal, you will get big media coverage, and big exposure means big money.
By the way, if you want to learn how to make money from home with zero experience, click the link in the comment sections. I will guide you step by step throughout the process. It is easy to follow and it is learnable. Let's go. I would also be grateful if you can subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share my video with others. Thank you for your support.
You will be captured to this page because, as you can see, you could become a book reviewer and take a job as a small business owner from anywhere in the world. You can evaluate books online in English and Spanish language while also being given 2 weeks to read the text. After that, you just had to review the journal in 350 words to apply for the book reviewer. Comments job: you have to submit your resume with your writing assignments, which can be a review of 350 words of any book you like and a list of reviewing. You can review books online in English and Spanish. And once chosen, you can begin working with them and earning money. The second website on our list is readside.com. As well as Discovery, readside.com as well as Discovery. Make sure you arrive at the appropriate website. The platform of this site will look like this that you can see here. You will also discover different genres of books to choose from, like fantasy, romance, science, fiction, and other genres. Now I need you to click on reviewers at the top of this homepage. From there, you will be captured to this page. You will just be paid a little less on this site than on other websites, but this website will give you a ton of new books to choose from for free. If you hover over the facts paragraph over here, you will be taken to the next section where you will see that you are required to write 300 or more words per book review. But the good news is that because there are no quotas to review books, you can understand and review books whenever you'd like. And on the site, you will be paid with a Stripe account. Stripe is one of the most popular payment providers, and from this link you can check regardless of whether Stripe is supported in your region or not, and if it is, you must provide your email address, first name, and last name. Create your password and press the enter key. After that, you are required to fill in some other simple information like your brief introduction. How many booklets do you read per year? Etc. After that, you have to publish your sample reviews on the site. Then once accepted, you can start to make money reading books with the site. This is the home page of booklist.com. This site will pay you $5 for each book you're rating, even if the author rejects your review. Continue watching and I'll show you how, as can be seen here. You may read a variety of literature, such as adult non-fiction, adult fiction, graphic novels, and so on. To make money reading books on the site, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Write for Us. This will take you to the next page where you can find all the information related to how to work with booklistonline.com and how to get earned to read books. When writing reviews for books on booklist.com, keep in mind that their target market is school and reading room workers. We must plan our review of relevant content, as the time for having read and reviewed the book will depend on each book, and you must complete the task within the assigned deadline. Also, as you'll notice here, the book list pays $15 for each review, and even more, if your review is rejected, you will be paid $5 per book review. And if you found this video useful, please like it. So you do not need to worry about that, and if you would like to read the reviews written by the freelancers working with thebooklistonline.com, you can see their reviews from the reviewers option at the bottom of the site, where you can read endless reviews. This one will help you to get an improved understanding of the work on booklist.com, and to sign up yourself on this site, send an email to this mail over here at the right to our page with your resume and a taster review. When writing reviews for books on booklist.com, keep in mind that their target market is school and reading room workers. You may read a variety of literature, such as adult non-fiction, adult fiction, graphic novels, and so on.
By the way, if you want to learn how to make money from home with zero experience, click the link in the comment sections. I will guide you step by step throughout the process. It is easy to follow and it is learnable. Let's go. I would also be grateful if you can subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share my video with others. Thank you for your support.